HP laptop, HP 15 laptop. This laptop has come to me for repair. See, this laptop is water damage and lots of water inside in the laptop. See, all fungus is there, green corrosion, fungus, and battery also corroded. Battery burn mark here. Mm, there are lots of corrosions and fungus. Memory also corroded. Wi-Fi card also corroded. Maybe water inside in hard disk also. Let's repair this board. Open this board and ultrasonic first. We remove this board. See, there is a 2-3 position shorting multimeter set in diode mode, and there is a shorting this line. See, this line is shorted to the ground. This line also shorted to the ground, and this line, this is all input line of 19 volt. This line also shorted to the ground. This is a jumper pads. We have to remove these jumper pads and check exactly shorting inside or outside. This is a shorting testing method. We have to remove all jumpers and check shorting is either this side or this side. This is a jumper, just like a bridge, input and output bridge. Just we remove bridge and continue the video. We remove the jumper pad. See, after removing jumper pad, outside of this jumper is not shorting. Inside of this jumper there is a shorting. See, there is a shorting inside of this jumper. This jumper also not shorting. This is also shorting gone. Two sides shorting gone and only one side shorting is there. That means this IC is suspected or shorted to the ground. We have to replace or change this IC. See, there is a shorting this side and outside is not shorting, and this both jumper shorting is now gone. These types of jumper are this. When we remove this jumper, there is a bridge. Jumper means this is a bridge. One side is input, out, other side is output. When we remove the jumper, the bridge is open, and we find out the where exact shorting is. Where is the exact shorting? Thank you. This is a dual MOSFET, and this is a coil, shorted coil, and this is a controller IC. We have to check this IC. See, this IC is corroded. Not only corroded, the one track of this IC is also damaged. We have to remove this IC and check the shorting is gone or not. For this purpose, we have to remove this IC. Let's remove this IC. After removing this IC, this jumper is, see, this jumper is also short. There is a shorting, still there is shorting. Now we remove this dual MOSFET. We have to remove this dual MOSFET also. After removing this dual MOSFET, see, well, shorting is gone. That means dual MOSFET is short. We have to replace this dual MOSFET also, and this IC also, because this IC is corroded one leg. We have to replace these both component. Thank you. Due to water damage, this memory also corroded. We have to replace or repair this memory also. See, all memory IC is corroded, or there is a blue corrosion, green corrosion. We have to replace the memory or repair this memory also. We connect as per testing purpose our memory. This memory we repair later, and first we check display is coming or not. We power on the DC supply. DC supply is powered, taken 0.09 amp. There is a power switch. We switch the board. Board is powered on, and let's see display is coming or not. One time restart because of RTC. If the green light is in pen drive, the board is on. Yes, board is display on, and this case study of HP laptop water damage is successfully complete. Thank you. Water damage laptop. We repair this laptop successfully. See, lots of corrosion, lots of shorting, and this laptop is repaired successfully. Thank you.